Okay, so in this video I'm going to be giving you guys the knowledge of everything that you'll need to know in order for you to start trading in this 2024. So you can just take this as a complete beginner guide, from learning from the start to learning how to make analysis and place trades on your own. Now the major question is, what is Forex? Now let me make it very easy for you guys. Forex is just an acronym of foreign exchange. So we simply go out the FOR from the foreign and EX from the exchange. By the way, I'm not talking about X's. So we simply put that together and we got the word Forex. I know there's no one of us that don't know what foreign exchange means. Now if I was to walk into a bank and I have US dollars and I want to exchange that US dollars for, let's say, the British pounds, right there and there, if I've successfully converted my dollar to pounds, I've already engaged in Forex. So right here is that simple, it's not complicated. Now what I just explained right there is just the manual way of trading Forex, but the one that is usually common is the digital way of trading Forex, which doesn't require you to have a physical dollar or go to the bank. You can simply have your phone and go ahead and trade Forex right there. Now in order for you to have the app that we use for this, what you need to search for is the MetaTrader. Now we can see right here, now there's the MetaTrader 5 and the MetaTrader 4, but the best one so far is actually the MetaTrader 5, which is what I'm going to be using right here. So yeah, let me go ahead and explain how this app actually works. Now before I go ahead and explain how this app works, I would love to clarify some kind of thing. Now whenever we're trading, it actually involves a pair, like something like the Great British Pounds and the US dollar. So it's always between pairs. Now another thing you need to notice that whenever we're referring to these currencies, we don't really call them by their long names. So if we're to trade pounds and the dollar, we won't call it Great British Pounds, the United States dollar. We don't do that. Just like how we had the acronym Forex for foreign exchange, we've already broken down on this currency pair. Like if I were to refer to the Great British Pound, I'll call it GBP. And if I were to refer to the United States dollar, I will call it USD. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a short form for the major currency pairs so that at least you can get used to them. So here are them right on your screen. You can just go ahead and slowly grab them. So right now, let me go ahead and open the app. So this is how the app will look whenever you're installing it for the first time. So you can go ahead and hit allow, accept, then hit open a demo account. Now this demo account is for you to practice before you can actually go into the live market. Now this right here is the code section. So what this means is that all currency pair you can trade will be listed on here. So if you want to remove a pair that you don't trade, you can go ahead and select what you don't trade right there and delete it, and everything right there will be gone. Now this part right here is the charts. Now this is where you see the candlesticks. Now this part right here is the trade section. So this is where you get to see your trading balance and everything. Now this is a practice account. This is a $100,000 practice demo account. Now the next part is the history. Now the history is where you see every trade that you've taken. So if you go ahead and close your trade in a profit, it will show here. If you close it in a loss, to show here. Now this right here is the settings. Now this is where you can go ahead and log into your trading account. So you can't just trade with MetaCode like that. You need a broker account for you to trade with MT5. But I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. Now right here, I'm going to be explaining the charts. Now this right here is way much easier than it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and explain everything for you. Now, if you check the pair I'm on right now, I'm in GBP USD. So this is like the pounds trading against the dollar. You understand that kind of a thing. Now if you look somewhere right here, you can see something like 1.26569. you get the whole thing. Now so what this actually means is that for me to actually get £1, I need to have $1.26 in order to exchange for £1. Now that's why this point right here is actually put up with US dollars. So all these numbers you're seeing right here is in US dollars. It's trying to find the equivalent to £1. Now if you go into the chart, you could see two things right here. It's just, now we could see something like a red stuff right here and a green stuff right here. Now these things, we actually call them candlesticks. Now what this candlestick does is that it represents price. Now how does it represent price? Now if you check in this candlestick that is happening right here, now you can see that it's kind of showing the line that gives us the price of £1, which is $1.26. So it's just like as this candlestick is going up and coming down, it's just like the whole price is changing. So this is what this candlestick represents. Now the red candlestick is used to signify that the price is going down, and whenever you see green candlestick, it means that the market is going up. You understand? The price is going up. Now there are actually two parts in a candlestick. Now there's the wick of the candlestick and there's the body of the candlestick. These two things actually represent different things. Now let's look at it right here. What the wick tries to represent is the market has been here before. So if the market comes down right now, we'll see that wick happen. You can see that this is trying to signify that the market has been here before. If it comes down and it goes up back again, it will leave a wick. You can see that it's trying to show that the market has been there before. So wherever you see the body of the candlestick, it means that that's where the market took over, because sometimes before it actually goes up or goes down, it kind of drop those wicks before it starts moving and everything. Now one other thing we're going to be looking out for is time frame. Now just as you could see this candlestick, it actually takes different time for them to form. Like the current time frame I'm in is the 1 hour time frame. So in order for this candlestick to finish forming and close, just like this one, you can see this one is still, but this one is kind of moving. So in order for it to stop moving, it will take like a whole 1 hour to print. Now if you go to another time frame, let's say if you go to the 1 minute time frame, you can see that everything is actually moving a lot more faster in something like this. So mainly it's 1 minute, the candlestick closes, another candlestick opens, just like as you can see right here. Another one just opened right there. Now that is it in terms of understanding the candlestick, but now let's go into the different formations that the market could move. Now I showed you guys the individual candlestick and how they move. Now I want us to look at the candlesticks in more like a collective way. There are different ways that price moves. So now there are 3 ways that the market can move. Now let me make it more simple. Let's say you want to buy pen. There are 3 things that could happen to the price of pen. Is it that the price of pen actually goes up, or the price of pen actually drops, or the price of pen still remains the price of pen for a very long time? This is just what the market does. So it's either the market is in an uptrend, that is the price is going up, or either the market is in a downtrend, which is the market is going down, or either the market is neither going up nor going down, it's just within one particular range, which is what we call consolidation. Now the best point in the market is during the point of trends. When I'm talking about trend, I'm talking about uptrend and downtrend. Consolidations are not usually the best whenever you're trading. It's actually when you're trading trends in the markets. Now I think I've already explained everything that I need to on the charts, and let's go on the phone. Let me show you guys the most important things. Now whenever the market is going down, or whenever the market is in a downtrend and you sell, you're going to be making money. And whenever the market is in an uptrend and you buy, you're going to be making money. But in the case where the market is in a downtrend and you're buying, that's the case where you're going to be losing money. And when the market is in an uptrend and you're selling, that's when you'll be losing money. Now you might be asking, okay, how do I buy? How do I sell? So what you have to do is to tap this section right here and to bring out the 2 buttons right here. You could see this part that says sell, and you could see this part that says buy. Now what you could see right here is something we call lot size. Now you're going to be using this lot size according to your account balance and everything. Now let me show you how this works. Now in a 1 minute time frame, you could see that Euro USD is buying. Now let's just say as Euro USD is, let's just say I placed in a buy. Now what happens here is that if price is above this buy level, that means I'm going to be in profit. But if price is below this buy level, I'm going to be in a loss. You can see right there, I'm in a loss because price is below this price level. Now if you can see right here, price is now above this buy level, and if you check in again, we're in profit. So this is exactly how it is. So whenever you're buying, you're expecting the market to go up. Whenever you're selling, you're expecting the market to go down. So let's just say as the market is buying right now and I press sell, as you can see, market is kind of going above it. If price is above it, you see that it's going to be in a loss. So this is exactly how this works. Now that right there is how the market works. Now before you go ahead and place in any trades, you need to make a proper analysis whether the market is going up or the market is going down. So right here, I'm going to give you guys a simple strategy from Fastbow's app that you can just implement. That is very easy, not too complicated, and you can use it to trade. Now the first thing that you have to do is that you have to click the Fastbow link in the description of this video or in the comment section. Go go ahead and download in their app on your mobile device. Now once you've already gone into the app, what you need to do is that you have to click in the code section. Now you can go ahead and pick in any pair that you like, but I'm going to be using GBP USD here for example. Now once you've already picked in GBP USD, once you scroll down, you see the chart section. Now there are different strategies that are on there, but the one I want you to use is the MA, which is called the moving averages. This moving average consists of different lines. You could see like 3 lines. Now how this works is that whenever price is below the moving average, that means the market is in a downtrend. Now whenever the market is in a downtrend, what do you have to do? You have to sell the market. So this right here has already given you a strategy that you can use to know when to sell the market. Now when price is above the moving averages, this tries to signify that the market is about to be in an uptrend. So whenever the market is in an uptrend, what do? Buy. So in this case, you can just go ahead and buy the market. Now for this example, I'm using the 1 minute time frame. Now let's say you've not fully understand technical analysis and every of those things, but you just want to place a trade and make decent amount of profit. Now on the Fastbow app, they have the signal section where they will literally tell you when to buy a particular pair. So right here, this app is very helpful. Now there are a ton of features that as you go in your journey, you'll get to realize how useful this app is, because there are a lot of things on there. So yeah, let's continue with what we're doing. Now the broker that we're going to be using right here is Vantage Market. Now it's this brokers that actually gives you direct access to the Forex market. So what we're going to do right now is that we're going to create an account, tap into the trade now. Now when you get to this part, all you have to do is to fill in your details and hit create an account. Now when you're done creating an account with Vantage Market, you'll be left with this. Now what you have to do right here is to tap into open a live account. Now when you've tapped in open live account, this is just like a format for you to create an account with MT5 or MT4. For me personally, I use MT5, so I'll just create an account with MT5. So I'll pick out MT5, then it says choose an account type you want. So then after that, choose an account currency. So once you're done, go ahead and tick this box. You can go ahead and read everything if you like, then go ahead and hit submit. Now once you've already hit submit, within a short while they'll send you the login details of your MT5 account. So let's do that right now. Now when you get the email, it will show you something like this. Now let me show you guys how you can connect this account to your MT5. So now as it is, we're going to go to the MT5 section, tap into it. Then what you have to do is to tap into this plus button. Then you need to search the server that this is on. So as you can see, it says MT5 server Vantage International Live. So that's what I'll check. What I'll just search is Vantage. So it's this one right here, Vantage International. Now if you look on the server, it says Vantage International Demo. So what you have to do is to tap into it and change it to the one you saw there. So the one we're seeing here is International Live. So we hit International Live and we go ahead and put in our login details together in with our password. So let me go ahead and do that right now. Now right here, I've already logged in into my Vantage Market account. So right here, I can just go ahead and trade the market live. So if the market is going up, I could just go ahead and buy, and when the market is going down, I could just go ahead and sell. Now let's say if you want to fund your account, all you have to do is that you have to go back to the broker website, tap into the menu section, then go into the part that says funds. Now you could see something that it wrote like deposits funds right there. Let this thing just get downloading. Okay, so you could see this part that says deposit fund. So you can just go here, then look for the part that's best, that's best with you. So for me, I would love to use cryptocurrency deposit. So I'll just pick in cryptocurrency deposit. Now once you're in the cryptocurrency deposit, now you can pick the cryptocurrency you want to use to deposit, either Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC or USDT, but the one I'll prefer is the USDT TRC20. I love that one. So I'll use the USDT TRC20 and I'll just go ahead and select the account I want to use for this. So I've selected this account. Now I'm going to put in an amount. Let me just deposit, let's say $50. Once you're done, go ahead and hit submit. So I'll copy this address and I'm going to send in $50 and it will be confirmed right here. So let me just go ahead and do everything. So right here, I'm just going to confirm that I'm making this withdrawal, and then right there, then when you're done, you get an email saying you've deposited. So you can just go to your MT5 account, do a little refresh and you see the balance right there. Now you can go ahead and trade whatever you want to trade in the market. So right there, if you've been able to do everything I've showed you in this video, I'm sure by now you'll be able to trade the market. Now you can still go ahead and watch some of my videos where I've already explained some other strategies that you can use in the market, so you can actually get yourself equipped. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys like it, make sure you hit the like button. So if you're not a part of the family, make sure you go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.